Hello everyone. I wanted to jump on here and go over the cross table lateral projection that you had to analyze on your own. A lot of us missed this one, so I just want to take a few seconds and look at it together. The biggest issue that we have in this projection is the overlap of the unaffected leg soft tissue. It is obscuring the acetabulum here. What we need to do is bring that unaffected leg back some more so that we can get that soft tissue clear so we can visualize that acetabulum. If the patient cannot do this on their own, then we need to maybe increase our technical factors. I know a lot of us were thinking that there was a excessive angulation problem here. However, if anything, there might be a slight rotation problem. However, the main point of this projection was for you to identify that the unaffected leg is actually obscuring the acetabulum. If you have any questions, when I come out to clinic, we can review it together. Good job this week.